Hi Royals, if you're watching this video the first time, you know what you have to do for me. Just click on the red button below, which it means that you're going to subscribe to the channel because I want you to be part of this amazing family. And for those already subscribers to the family, you're always welcome. And to those who once in a while you check up on the channel, you're also welcome as well. So today I was going through my content list and I had this that I should do a video on what $1 can cook in Ghana. So when you convert $1 to Ghana cedi, it's like 5 cedis, 4 pesos. I'm trying to get the coins, but I didn't get it, so I decided to make it rather 6 cedis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so 6 cedis. So this evening we are going to use 6 cedis to prepare an evening meal. So what will $1 prepare for us for an evening meal in Ghana? So I was thinking, because it's very small, prepare a meal. You know, the dollar is higher than our money in the country. The city keeps depreciating. What can $1 get me for an evening meal if I'm supposed to cook? Because it's easier when you're using it to buy food out there. So when I was brainstorming of the food I could prepare with the $1, which is equivalent to like 6 cedis in Ghana, I came up with this food. So I'm going to prepare oil rice. So we are literally going to buy everything from this 6 cedis, from this money. I have rice, but I'm not going to use it. I have other items that will make it easier, but I'm not going to use them. I'm going to buy it right from the streets. Should I take a video of me buying the stuff from the streets? I don't know, like doing vlog on the streets, I sometimes feel shy because the way people look at you is like, what's she doing? But anyway, I'm not properly dressed, so I think I would have to change to do that. So we are going to prepare oil rice, which is braised rice, with the 6 cedis. 1 cup of rice, 2 cedis, pepper. So we are preparing oil rice with grounded pepper and egg. Let's see whether it can even get me an egg. But let's see how it goes, because you can do your calculation in the house and you get to the price is different. You get it? So let's go and find out how best we can get with our money of 6 cedis. Yeah, so she's doing my bare face. Today I wanted us to be real, you know, no makeup or nothing, because I'm literally at home. You don't expect me to be in makeup. And this my full outfit, just a bit of it. So I'm going to change into something better, and then I hit the streets. So I'll catch you guys later. Do you guys want to see what I'll buy on the streets? Do you? Are you really ready for that? Are you sure? Are you sure you want your girl to vlog on the street of what she's getting with the 6 cedis? Comment below. Comment. I need to put the shyness away and hit the street and vlog about what I'm going to buy with the money. And then I'll not vlog back because it's going to be a long video. I don't want it to be a long video. And then we go to the kitchen and then we take it from there. Okay, guys? See you guys later. And how do I look in my fox locks? Hey, this hair was so painful. I'm never sitting my ass down to do this style again in my life. Till that kingdom come. Serious, I don't like pain. I don't like pain. If I would do a head, I would be feeling too much pain. Forget it. You'll not see me doing that style again. Anyway, how do I look with my fox? Bye, guys. See you. So, who am I in the archery training? We need the archery training. Okay, I'm going to the archery training. Essay. Mommy wants to. Now, mommy, because I'm here. Mommy, 80%. Now, mommy, there, 20.
20%.
Only 20.
50 pound.
15 pound. Hey!
But call look at 10 cities.
Sir? Okay. We got some rice in the bar, and I'm sure this can make it. It's easy. Now, me bam, the chairman.
I don't want to see 80%.
The chairman, I'm off. Thank you. Let's wait. So guys, let's with 4 cities. 4 cities. 20 pesos. Let's see what we can get with it. Millicent. Honey, that's our baby. Then you say next time. I am a top about all my boys in there, Tom. And that's it. Amen. Watch you. You're not getting the rice. Baba Cho, oh, rice in the day, yeah, to train, perfect rice. So finally, guys, we've gotten the rice. Let's hope it will be nice. Mama Cho, 35 in a more tithing. Aroma. Oh, okay. Bye. So our money is finished. Thank you. So our money is literally finished. So our money is finished, guys. So it means that I can't get the egg because I'm going to use the egg to take pepper and onion, and that is very important. So let's just see, we'll prepare the rice alone like that and see what happens. Okay guys, so we're heading back to where we went to get the other stuff that I got. But you can see that even 6 cedi, which is equivalent to $1, cannot even prepare a very good oil rice here. So let's see how it goes up. Baba Choma Bao. Mede kosane baje mokoni Jane. To me the 20 pesos. Me pe kit ve. So guys, I'm back and I feel so tired. It wasn't easy walking on the streets with a lot of people staring at me, which I really dislike. Some few items with the budget we had, but it means that we can't prepare like braised rice with grounded pepper. But I'm going to manage and use the pepper to do something with the rice. Know how to balance it if you have that kind of budget and you're watching it in Ghana. But trust me, this is not going to be the oil rice that I do prepare at home. This is specifically for this video, because if you're someone like me, when you're eating oil rice, you want egg, sausage, sardine, and the rest. Please, this is not the kind of oil rice I'm about to prepare. There's a low budget evening food which can only prepare the oil rice. So yes, let's get the kitchen prepared and then go from there. Okay guys, we continue from there, from the kitchen. Time to cook, guys, time to cook. So this is what I had. So this is a cup of rice. It goes for 3 cedis 50 plus 1. Beef, just one beef because we couldn't buy more. Onion, oil. This oil looks like it's not going to be enough. Anyway, this oil.